Hey, what's up, everybody? Listen, this is KymTube, and I'm back. Got a little different project tonight. I'll be replacing a lot of my pipes up here. This is in the basement of my house, and I'm going to be cutting all of this cast iron pipe out. So I wanted to share it with you. You know, I'm usually on my shed, and I still am, but I had to break away to get this done. This is a priority. So this is the piping, this is the drainage out of the house. I've already replaced it on the street. As you can see, I had a tractor, I guess this was about a couple years ago, where I brought a tractor in and I dug up about 30 feet of dirt and put in some good plumbing down. So from the house out, everything is good. But from inside, let me show you what's going on here. See, all of this stuff I want out of here. This is old. This is probably about 55 years old. This is just where I painted it with some sealer, but that's just a band-aid, and I don't like this. So of course I put the tub in, all the plumbing for the tub. I put this in, so I'm going to keep this. This is the commode right here, and this is where I stop. I'll be replacing all of this right here back. Okay, so the real challenge though is cutting this piece up here. All of this will be replaced. I'm going to cut it right here, and I'll be replacing this with PVC, which is the same as this. I'm keeping this though, but the challenge will be to get this out without cutting one of these lines that I put in. All of these fresh lines, I'm gonna find a way to make one. It's called problem solving, baby. This is problem solving. See, I've got to cut that out up there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna get it done. You already know, stop playing. You already know. So, but I'm gonna take this all the way back. You see, I got my level up here. Right now, I don't know if you can see that. I hope that light is not blocking that. I'm gonna turn it this way. Can you see that right there? See that bubble right there? I talked to my class about slope. This is a perfect example of slope and how your water needs to drain out, okay? We're working on slope in our math class. So this is a perfect example to share with my students about how slope works. I like to give people real life examples of what we learn in class, and this is a perfect one. This pipe needs to be sloped down. As you can see there, that bubble is almost in the middle, so the water is not going to go anywhere because it's not sloped right. It needs to be sloped all the way up down. Now I want to show you this one over here. Look at that slope. See that right there? See the bubble over there? So the water is going to go down. The washing machine is that way. The washing machine is that way, so when it drains the water, it's going to come down here, connect to that pipe, and drain out the house. So I like that slope right there. You see that little, see the way that's on the right side? That means it's slanted like that and the water's gonna flow down. That's what slope means, guys. So I'm gonna take this off, cut all of this out right here. Now look at that right there. I don't know if you can see that with your naked eye, but this pipe right here is slanted back this way. This one is slanted that way. So what is the water gonna do? You already know. It's gonna stop right here and whatever else, okay? So this is gonna be cut the heck out of here. I'm gonna take it all the way back and cut that out, take it down. Then let me turn on my headlight. I'll connect it right there. You see that? See, from the street out, I've already put that in, and that's perfect. Now this right here is my pump for my downstairs shower and bathroom, but we're not worried about that. That's fine. I'll be taking out the black pipe, reconnecting the 4-inch PVC. So I definitely have a job ahead of me, but I love it. I love to problem solve. See that? All that black pipe is coming out. I'm gonna have to leave that. So you see how that's connected to that, holding the pipe up? Gotta figure out a way to hold that up while I take this down. But it can be done. Yep, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now I got a little slight problem right here. You see how my duct work is right here? My duct work to take air to the house upstairs, all through the house. Okay, I gotta figure out how to put this other PVC back up in here and not push this too hard and cut the air off. But you know I'm gonna find a way. You already know. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be working on. So I took a break from the shed. I think the real challenge is back here, seeing how I'm going to work this. Okay, you see that? All that's good. I'm going to take this off, pull that out, cut this off, cut all of this off. I'm going to leave this. This is connected to the commode right here. So all this is great work right here. Cutting this out and taking all of this out right here. Another challenge too is getting these screws, they're not screws, they're nails, getting these out. But I do want to hold this stuff up because this is probably pretty heavy. And I don't have anybody here. It's 12:30 at night. What am I looking at a football game for? I got stuff to do. Stop playing with me. People don't understand why I don't look at TV. I got stuff to do. Quit playing. So thanks for watching, and check me out. Let's see how it goes.